Before we start, I want you to imagine this. You're floating in space, no sound, no air, just darkness. And suddenly, something answers you back. Not a message, not a signal. A response: NASA says space is silent. But what if that's not true? Tonight, I'll tell you a space story that still has no clear explanation. A signal detected, recorded, then quietly ignored. And once you hear it, you'll never look at space the same way again. Part 1. Space is supposed to be silent. 1 Rokon 2 Sakukro. Space is known as the ultimate silence. No wind, no echoes, no sound waves. That's what we're taught. But silence doesn't mean nothing is happening. Every second, Earth is being hit by radiation energy waves, signals from deep space. Most of them are natural, but some don't behave like they should. Part 2. The strange detection. 2.330. Years ago, scientists monitoring deep space picked up something unusual. At first, they thought it was interference, a broken sensor, a glitch, but it wasn't random. The signal, repeated, came in patterns, returned every few hours, not once, not twice, again and again and again. That's when people started paying attention. Part 3. Why this signal was different. 335 Kaid. Most space signals fade. This one didn't. It was consistent, focused, isolated. It didn't come from a planet. It didn't come from a star. It came from nothing. A region of space where there should be nothing. No gravity source, no known object. Just empty darkness. So scientists gave it a label. Not a name, a warning. Part 4. Theories begin. 5 Kat 630. Some said it was a neutron star. Others said a black hole. But the math didn't work. The signal behaved wrong. Then came the theories people don't like to talk about. What if it wasn't natural? It wasn't accidental, it wasn't noise? What if it was intentional? Not a message to us, but a sign that something else was there, watching. Part 5. The disturbing detail. 6:30, 7:45. Here's the part that made scientists uncomfortable. The signal didn't weaken with distance. That shouldn't happen. Signals lose power the farther they travel. This one didn't. It was as if the source was closer than expected. Or worse, moving. Part 6. Silence from NASA. 7:45, 8:45. After a while, updates stopped. Reports ended. Public discussion faded. The signal was never officially explained. No press conference, no final statement, just silence. Some say it was classified. Some say it was dismissed. But scientists who worked on it, they never talked about it again. Part 7, the bigger question, 8:45, 9:30. Here's the truth. Space is too big, too old, too complex to assume we are alone. We search for life by listening. And maybe, one day, something listens back. Ending. Final thought, 9:30, 10 Irad. If space is truly silent, then every signal matters. And if something out there wanted to be noticed, would it speak loudly or quietly, so only a few would hear it? And the real question is this: if we finally get an answer from space, are we ready for it? If you liked the video, like and subscribe.